Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox my two Christmas presents. So as you can see, I've already unboxed these two jackets, but I decided to save these ones for the video. Before I start unboxing, make sure you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Yeah, let's get straight to it. So let's start with this one first. What airline is this? Omni Air International 757. Okay, here's a model. Here it is. Close up. Looks very good. Very smooth, shiny. I like it. I'm gonna put it back here. And now this is the last one. First I'm gonna remove this. This one's it's quite big. Another GeminiJets model. Saudi Airlines. Going 707. Look, hard to get it off. It looks like a retro livery. So this one is a little bit bigger. This one's a little bit smaller. This is a more modern livery. This is a retro livery. I guess like it's a 1980s or 1990s livery. I wanted these two models because I didn't have them yet, and they looked very good when I saw them. So I wrote my letter to Santa, detailing that I wanted these two planes, and he got them. I'm very happy for them. So thank you, Santa, if you're watching this. If you want a video on all of my model airplane collections, then please feel free to let me know in the comment section below, and I'll find the time to do it. I also have an Instagram, guys, so I'll leave the link in the description, and you can check it out if you want to see what I do when I'm not on YouTube. So yeah, anyway, thanks. If you checked that out already, thank you. Okay, now I'll just put these planes down. So guys, thank you for watching these videos. If you got anything for Christmas, please tell me what in the comment section below. As again, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.